Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today we are going to be unboxing the Dell Pro 15 to 16 inch EcoLoop Sleeve. This is the CV5626. Let's jump into the unboxing. So in addition to backpacks, carrying cases, briefcases, we also have sleeves, and if you've been following the channel over a while, you'll know that I do have a chance to often take a look at these. So pretty cool. This is the 15 to 16 inch sleeve. What's nice is the box is 100% sustainable, which is great to see. And let's jump in to the unboxing. So right off the bat, Dell Pro 1516 Plus EcoLoop Sleeve. A lot of space, look at that. You have room for accessories. On the back, you do have the luggage strap. So if you are putting a carry-on case, your handle can go through here. You can put it in your backpack like this. You can hold it by the straps here, or you can attach the shoulder straps at the front and the back. You do have the reflective accents, which is cool. Let's take a look at the interior. Oh, a lot of space. What is cool is the bag is made with recycled materials equivalent to the weight of 20 plastic bottles, which is awesome to see. You have your strap, like so. If I wanted to, let's grab a trusty old 16-inch notebook over here. Check it out, a lot of space. It's great to see. Let's throw in my accessories, my mouse and my earbuds. Don't go very far with that. There's one. And voila. Pretty slick. Now, from a foam perspective, the material on the inside is 360-degree impact XPE foam padding, and the external fabric, as you can see, is durable, water-resistant 400D twill material, and then the zippers are waterproof coated, so you can definitely use this for your day-to-day. And with that, I hope you enjoyed the quick little unboxing and overview of the Dell Pro 15 to 16 Plus EcoLoop Sleeve. Take care.